Hello, I'm Glumbush, and today I'll show you the Dark Eye 5th edition rules reference generator. What you can do with it is you pick your abilities, disadvantages and stuff like that. You can either type or just pick from a drop-down menu like this. You can choose a few things. You need to make sure that your character actually has those and has spent the points, and then you can see all the rules lined up as they show up in the rules wiki. And then, for example, you can remove things that you don't need. For example, you don't need to know in what book it is, you don't know how much it costs. You can remove all this together, and then it is shortened out, and then you can either just mark it yourself, or you just click the copy to clipboard. After you have copied it, you can paste it to the Word template or LibreOffice template, and there you can continue to edit it. For example, if you haven't chosen a category and stuff like that, you can remove it, remove additional tabs, and then you can just go ahead and print that for reference while playing, so you know all the rules you need to know for your character. I hope you enjoy this. Please download it and vote for it. Thank you very much. See you next time.